Guys, it's been a long time. I know I kind of left you guys hanging with the pregnancy vlogs, and if you want to know kind of what's been going on, an update, I will link an update video down below. I did one on my other channel, but yeah, you guys saw hopefully the vlog that I just recently posted up. There's so much going on, and I guess I could explain in here. I do have some like first trimester vlog or something like that, but I thought I would kind of update you guys. I am 35 weeks. I'm 35 weeks. On Friday, I'm going to be 36 weeks. So I'm about to be 36 weeks, and I thought I would get on here and kind of update you guys. The last trimester, like the last couple weeks, are the scariest anyways. So I feel like updating you guys on these weeks are probably going to be more important than I feel like the first trimester, even though I guess the first trimester is kind of sucky. But so yeah, let's start with kind of this week. So throughout the whole pregnancy, actually, I have had really bad body aches. Even when I first found out I was pregnant, my back constantly hurt. My hips constantly hurt. My body right away softened. If you know what I'm talking about, like your muscles and your bones, like they, start to move, and I'm just really soft. That's how I was the whole pregnancy with this one, which is quite different than the other ones. And so my body and my back have been hurting so bad. And this last trimester, it is ridiculous. I'm like an old lady. If I am sitting down and I get up, I'm literally the first couple steps, I'm like an old lady. I'm not even kidding. Like my hip bones, especially these couple of weeks, my hips, like they hurt. I definitely know that they're open now. Like they're definitely opening up, and they just hurt. Like the bone itself hurts. And also I have constant, which is totally different, constant pressure in my baby birthing area. Like constant pressure. Like it feels like bricks down there. It feels like baby's like trying to come out already. And it's just, and so like my hips and everything, like everything below the waist just hurts. It just feels painful, lots of pressure, just hurts. Also, different with this baby too, I've had some Braxton Hicks like pretty early, which doesn't surprise me. I've been doing so much. I wouldn't be surprised if I'm dilated already, which I was with my last baby, and I wasn't doing much. So now I'm curious to see on Friday what they say, because they're gonna do the first check to see if I'm dilated, to see how it's going. Anyways, so my belly it's just achy. Like he's like, I feel like he's gonna like come out like the alien, like he's like pushing on my belly, and it hurts. And it's nothing like irregular. My doctor has checked me. The baby's super healthy. He's like, when they measure the belly, I'm a little bit behind on the weeks, but I think that's because I think he's pretty much lowered himself, and you know what I mean. And so whenever they lower themselves into your hips, that your belly, when they measure your belly, doesn't measure exactly the same as your weeks. So you're supposed to be like 33 for 33 weeks, 34 for 34 weeks. So I think right now, I went in when I was 30, I just turned 34 weeks, and I was measuring 33 or something like that. And the 2 weeks before that, I was actually measuring 30, and I was 32 or just turned 33, something like that. And so they were like, okay, next time if you're not measuring up, we're gonna do an ultrasound and see what's going on. But I think he was just, honestly, this baby's super low, and I think he's just been adjusting himself into my hips. So that's probably the reason why. And so yeah, constant body pains all day long. And so I told my husband, like, how am I gonna do this if I'm already in pain and I'm not even in labor? Like my body is constant pain right now. But anyways, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. I know I told you guys in the beginning, hypnobirthing, I'm still gonna try. I have to keep on listening to my little things, and anyways, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So another thing, let me think, what else is going on with this baby? Yeah, super, I don't sleep very well, uncomfortable. I'm tired. 6 o'clock, I put the kids to bed. It gets dark here early, that's why, if you're wondering. 6 o'clock, the kids go to bed, and I could literally go to sleep and be out. Like, sometimes that happens, and my husband's like, call me, unlock the door, unlock the door. But yeah, so tired, lots of body aches. Also, the day of my last appointment, which wasn't this last Friday, but the Friday before that, my mucus plug came out. But doctor said it was totally fine. Nothing to worry about. He doesn't think I'm going to go into labor anyways. So, you know, it'll kind of correct itself. Like, it'll make a new one or whatever. And so it's totally fine. I haven't gone into labor. That's funny because that night before I was like having Braxton Hicks's like crazy. And I was like, oh no, like I'm going to go into labor and I'm 34 weeks. Like, that's not good. But I haven't gone into labor. I've been totally fine. My body's just really prepping. We'll see if we can make it to the due date. I don't know. I'm having like feelings that we're not going to make it to my due date, which is nerve-wracking because I need my mom to fly out here to watch the kids while I'm in labor. And how do you plan for that? How do you plan for baby coming? Like, you can't plan unless you make it to the last week is when you can plan, because you can say, okay, this week come down. But I can't plan if baby comes early. So what else? Okay, so the name I've kind of decided for this baby is Brigham. Kind of decided with the name. We were going to pick another name, but there was just this uncomfortable fiasco that just made me feel uncomfortable, and so we're not picking that name. We're doing Brigham. So Brigham, and I haven't picked a middle name. I just think it's like a classy, like handsome name is what I'm thinking. So if you don't know, my kids all have interesting names. So it's Hiram, Durham, Strickland, and his middle name is Kai, and we call him Kai. And then this baby number 4. So that's what's been going on. I haven't even made my hospital bag yet. I'm going to start working on that this week. I barely set up the baby bassinet. I haven't taken out any of the baby clothes because I have saved all of the baby clothes. It's really cold here. It snowed yesterday, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to get extra things that we didn't really need in hot Arizona. But yeah, I don't really have much to update. Oh, another thing. My stomach has, especially with this baby, has been so like just terrible. Like, I feel like I constantly have a stomach flu. Like, my stomach will hurt when I have to go to the bathroom, and then I'll go to the bathroom, you know, and then it'll be like super soft, and you know what I mean, when like your stomach is upset and it hurts, and then you go like, not diarrhea, but it's like in the middle. I don't know if that's TMI or not, but that's kind of what's been going on. It's the realisticness. It's the reality of being pregnant is what it is. Also, I've never peed so much in my pants than this pregnancy. Like, it's just baby number 4. Brand new things happen in baby number 4. I've been proud of myself because all the other babies I've been able to not pee my pants when I laugh and stuff, or when I like sneeze. And this baby, I have definitely done that more. It's not like more than a handful of times, but still, for me that's a lot. I'm just like, well, some people pee all the time, and I had never done that. I peed maybe once in each pregnancy, and that's because I was like laughing so hard and I had been holding it or something, not like where I'm just laughing. I don't really have to pee, and then all of a sudden, boop, I pee. So, this pregnancy, heartburn, so much heartburn from first trimester I'm talking about. I had heartburn, and so just heartburn from the beginning, from the first trimester. Heartburn like nobody's business. Heartburn every day, heartburn multiple times a day. I'm like popping pills like nobody's business, and it's just, it like burns. Like, I feel like if I don't take a tum, my insides are gonna be burned by the end of this. So that's also been, that stuff happens too. So I was thinking I was gonna do like what's in my hospital bag, or just talk to you guys about, from being a mom of giving birth 4 times, and kind of the differences from East Coast and West Coast, and this side, which is completely different. Like, doctors offices, the way that they do things, the hospitals, it's just so ridiculously different. I didn't expect it to be so different here. So if you want me to do a video like that, give me a big old fat thumbs up or comment down below, and I will do that for you guys, for those of you guys that are crazy, or for those of you guys that want to know about that. I know there's so many hospital bag videos that I didn't just want to pop one up here and just be a boring thing for you guys. So let me know. But yeah, let's show you guys the belly bump. You can kind of see. Also, you guys, finished making my desk, if you saw in that vlog. Finished it. This is what it looks like finished. So beautiful. I know it looks so dark with the back, with the dark green paint back there, but hopefully whenever we move, which is going to be in May, we'll have a house that has normal colored walls. So this is my new desk. I'm super, super excited. It's like a farmhouse type of desk. Anyways, let's show you guys the baby bump. See this baby bump right now? Can you see this? Yes, I'm in PJs. Can you see this? This baby bump? A bump, a bump. Yep, this is the baby bump. He's super, super, super low. I guess I can show you guys what my belly actually looks like. I've only gotten like a couple of small stretch marks, like 1 or 2. Like these 2. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this 25-week pregnancy vlog. I'll update you guys next week, and I'll definitely have more to say because on Friday I have a doctor's appointment, and they'll kind of tell me if I'm dilated, softening, which I'm sure I'm doing all of those. And I'll kind of let you guys know how it goes. And I'll try to keep up with these, which I'm trying to be more consistent now that I've kind of set up a little room here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.